Hey there, YouTube friends. Today I'm going to replace a couple of lighting fixtures in the kitchen. I'm going to take down that ceiling fan that doesn't really go, and it's kind of low. I hit my head on it when I walk by. And I'm going to replace this one as well. Now, I did replace this one when we first bought the house, but it doesn't throw a lot of light. So I'm going to go to Lowe's and see if I could get something that throws some more light, and we'll get right to it. Okay, I just got back from Lowe's. They didn't have a huge selection of ceiling light fixtures, but I picked these up. These are Project Source Edge-Lit LED flush mount ceiling fixtures. You get two for about 80 bucks. Now, these are LED. They don't take light bulbs. I've never had that before, so we'll see how that works out. And I chose these because on the side of the box it says it's 1900 lumens. Now, I'm hoping that's 1900 per fixture, so we get a good amount of light, but we're going to find out right now, and we're going to get to installing them. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is throw the breaker so there's no power going to the fixtures. Okay, I'm going to take down this old light fixture. Okay. All right, now I'm taking down the old mount. Go. Let me just unbox it. Let's see how it comes. Have a decent amount of weight to it. First, we just have to undo these ties right here. This way we get out the mounting plate. Okay, so it comes with wire nuts, the screw to mount the mounting plate, and a couple of washers. Okay, so now we're going to mount the mounting plate. All right, now when I mount this, these clips right here are going to face the floor, so the flush part goes to the ceiling. Okay, now I'm just going to mount the plate to the ceiling and the box. Okay, now we're going to hang the fixture to the mounting bracket, and they give you a little hook right here. And this is so we can hang it and make our connections. Okay, now you can see I just have that hook attached to the mounting bracket, so I could let the fixture hang as I make the wire connections. Okay, now we're going to make our wire connections white to white, black to black, green to green. I like to wrap my connections with electrical tape. So that's what I'm doing right here. Alright, now what we got to do is we got to get that lip of the fixture on the guides that kind of stick out. And you press it to the ceiling and then you turn it and it locks in place like that. Alright, so before I go and do the other light fixture, I want to see how this looks to see if we even like it and see how much light it throws. You can see it's very flush to the ceiling. It's that modern design. These are LED lights. So I'm going to go throw the breaker. We'll turn it on to see how it looks. What do you think? What does the light think?
Good. It throws a lot of light.
It throws more than we previously had.
Yeah, I think it looks pretty good.
I think it throws definitely more light than we had, so that works for in the kitchen. So should we go ahead and do the other one, or should we leave the ceiling fan?
I say go for it.
All right. Okay, now I'm taking down the ceiling fan. Okay, again we're attaching the mounting plate to the box. Okay, so again, I'm making my connections, black to black, white to white, green to green, and I wrap them with tape. Okay, again, we gotta get it, press it up, and turn it so it locks. good. Here's a final look at the lights, YouTube friends. We're happy with it. They throw a lot more light than what we had. These LED lights are supposed to last 25,000 hours. I'll hold on to the box just in case they don't. But that's it for me for now. Happy home improvement. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And if you buy these lights, I hope you enjoy them. Catch you next time. See ya.